Planning a trip to VINAGO Hills? Not sure where to buy the right tickets? And want the safest, fastest way to book online? This video will guide you step by step with VINAGO, your trusted travel partner in Da Nang. VINAGO, a trusted travel company in Da Nang, is the official distributor of VINAGO Hills tickets, offering great prices and safe service for all travelers. Especially when booking VINAGO Hills tickets online via VINAGO's website, you'll instantly receive a shocking discount. No requirements, no conditions, just one click, and the surprise is right in your hands. Step 1. Visit the website, VINATICKET.VN with the title, VINAGO Hills Ticket Prices. Step 2. Select the correct information for yourself, local resident or visitor from another province, age group, and ticket type. Step 3. Fill in the personal details of the ticket user, full name, address, phone number, ID, passport, etc. Note: be sure to select the correct departure date so that your ticket remains valid. Step 4. Double-check your personal information. Agree to the website's terms, and click Buy Now. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Complete the payment, and receive your ticket as a QR code from VINAGO. Here is the detailed VINAGO Hills ticket price list from VINAGO. Please note that prices may vary depending on the time period. VINAGO is pleased to present you with the detailed VINAGO Hills ticket prices. Please note that prices may vary depending on the period. For more details, please contact VINAGO, visit our website at vinago.com.vn, or call our hotline 0898.888 404 for consultation.